morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm very fine.
I'm fine.
How about you?
I'm fine too. Yes, I hope all of you keep healthy and keep spirit. Okay, for this morning, I'm going to teach you about the analytical exposition text. What is the meaning of analytical exposition text? Do you know it?
No, Miss.
Okay, because if you have not ever learned about the analytical exposition text, let's discuss it together.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, let's check. Okay, analytical exposition text. And you can watch the link of YouTube by your phone to get the detailed information about the analytical exposition text. And I would like to repeat the explanation in this forum. The definition: analytical exposition text is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. And then the social function is to persuade the readers that the idea is an important matter and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion is correct by developing an arguments to support it. And then language feature, you can using relational process, using internal conjunction, using causal conjunction, using simple present tense, using compound and complex sentence, use words that link arguments. Okay, please read more. What do you think about this analytical exposition text? Do you ever read this text before? Okay, I would like to give a question for you. For the number one, what does the text tell you about?
Mimi.
What is your name?
My name is Tika.
Okay, please give your answer.
The answer is about YouTube is such a significant platform for brain. I think.
After this, I would like to make you are into a group of two, and each group consists of 5%. For the first group, I think the names of Sartika Permatasari, Seri Dewi Zaini, and then Tiara Aditya, Welly, and Yeni. And then the second group, maybe Flosia, Dewi Emsa, Iis, Indra, and Karina. Okay, you can check in this assignment on your Google Classroom to complete the following table. Okay, I will give you time 5 minutes to presentation. Okay, are you ready to presentation?
Ready, Miss?
Okay, ready?
Yes, Miss. Okay, Miss, I am.
Yes.
The main here, first of all, I would like to point out that motorbikes are major contributors to the pollution in the world. Research has shown that motorbikes emit a deadly gas that is dangerous for environment. Consequently, long-term emission of gas from motorbikes is a major contribution of global warming. Science Daily, and the language feature is about conjunction relation, such as first of all, secondly, furthermore, finally, in conclusion, and yeah.
Okay, and then the second
the second argument.
Yes.
Secondly, according to report from BBC News Channel, motorbikes are also responsible for causing diseases such as bronchitis, cancer, and are a major threat of asthma and high blood pressure. Some of the diseases are so ghastly that they can kill people. And then generic reference is accidents.
Lesson. Okay, well class, finally we have done all of the lesson today. And then, what do you think about our lesson today? What is your reflection? Want to try to give your reflection?
Yes, Miss.
Oh yes.
In learning
You, Kartika?
Yes, in learning activity, I have learned the key feature of analytical exposition, with its the definition, social function, generic structure, and language feature. I think that's all.
Okay.
Miss.
Okay, good, Sartika. And then another student
Yes,
wanna try to
Miss.
give, yes,
Yes,
Tiara
Miss.
Aditya.
In this learning activity, I have learned about the purpose of analytical exposition, that is to persuade audience or readers to look at an issue with the writer's perspective.
Okay, good job. You give the detailed information. And then, any others want to give the reflection for our activity
Miss.
today?
Yes,
Really? Okay, good.
Yes, in this learning activity, I learned about the structure of analytical exposition. There are introduction, and then arguments, and orientation or conclusion. Miss.
Okay, introduction or thesis, right? Okay. Okay, thank you so much for all. I think all of you did a good job, and we can continue in the next meeting. And I hope all of you keep spirit and keep healthy. This is in pandemic era. And then I'm satisfied for today about our lesson because all of you did a good job. And then before we close our meeting, I hope for chairperson to close the meeting by praying together. Maybe it is you can lead the prayer.
Yes, Miss. Well, students, before we close our meeting today, let's pray first. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Iis. Thank you so much for today. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next meeting. Good morning.
Good morning.